And the upgrade that the National Weather Service did issue early this morning, which is to go with a winter storm warning for at least portions of North Texas there in pink. That does include the Metroplex up towards the Red River. So the highest impact is expected to be felt there in that winter storm warned area. So this is going to take us all the way, by the way, till tomorrow night at 6 p.m. So we got to deal with this for 2 days now. Meteorologist Jeff Ray here helping me this morning. Jeff, you've been watching that radar closely as we've seen freezing rain. And the road temperatures are becoming a big problem, too.
By the way, this is my first day back. Welcome back.
Thank you.
I kept on forgetting to get that in.
Thank you, sir.
All right, so let's start with what happened in the overnight hours, Annalise, because that was everything. We had this heavy band of precipitation. Now, you're looking at about 140 this morning, all right? Not a whole lot going on. But notice what happened over the next couple of hours. You see that heavy band of freezing rain from about Benbrook? I'll move it back just a little bit. Look at Benbrook and Fort Worth. And then north of there, and you see that dark purple move right over Keller, over Carrollton, and over Allen. What that did when the dew points were in the teens is drop the temperature. So when I take a look of total precipitation, this frozen precipitation, look where it is. I'm going to circle this area. Now look at the road temperatures in the same area. See what it did? It dropped the temperatures a good 5 to 6 degrees. This was not in the forecast modeling. So what happened is that we immediately started to see road problems, and Madison has been watching this very carefully. It's been very specific. It's been in these areas just north of downtown Fort Worth, over into Keller, and then you cross northeast into parts of Collin County. And I'm really thinking that as we watch, Annalise, this stuff coming up from the north, even though it's going to be light, when it falls in that circled area, it's going to be more ice.
Right, I agree. So now it's just compounding the issue. Like you said, those spots, especially just to the north and west. So northwestern zones of the Metroplex, heads up, the next couple hours, we're still going to be needing to watch for issues for you. Now, to Jeff's point, we were watching those temperatures dropping overnight, but even around midnight or just after, we were still dealing with numbers just above freezing around a good portion of DFW. But we've moved on through the past 6 hours, and we've watched as those numbers have dropped several more degrees. So now we're dealing with 24 in Fort Worth, 25 in Denton, 28 down around Waxahachie. In fact, you've got to go all the way to the southeast from Corsicana to Mineola to find that freezing line. So the majority of us are going to be there below freezing through the day today, and that is where we're sitting at this hour, expecting that those temperatures are going to just kind of hover there in the upper 20s through the day today. Into tonight, we'll actually probably drop into the mid to upper 20s. And of course, tonight is where we're expecting a more widespread round of mostly freezing rain to move in. So the hour by hour forecast today, going to keep it in the upper 20s. The rain chances for that freezing rain, freezing drizzle, they are starting to come down once we get to midday and into the afternoon. I actually think we catch a bit of a break. So we could see some quieter conditions, it looks like, for the second part of today. But the thing that we're going to be watching is the late night period tonight. We get closer to midnight and certainly thereafter, 1, 2 a.m. in the morning. This is where we're seeing that next wave that is more of a widespread impact. Everyone seeing pretty much those sub-freezing temperatures. We've got light freezing rain on our hands, and I do expect more issues, more of a widespread impact as far as travel early tomorrow and into the midday period. This is going to be a quick event, though, not as long-lived as our last one. We're going to be seeing this wrapping up through the afternoon, and then by tomorrow night, we're actually drying out. So the quick summary as far as precipitation types, freezing rain and sleet mixture there through much of the viewing area. Freezing rain down to the far southeast from Palestine to Corsicana. This winter event, guys, wrapping up, and then as we head into the weekend, temperatures back in the 40s and even 50s by Sunday.